Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you fix that problem you have on your PayPal app. So all you have to do to fix it on your app, so you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take us here in this list. Then all you have to do now, so you just go down here and you click here on apps. So and you come to next step. Then all you have to do now, just go down here and you're looking for PayPal app. So just go down here to find your PayPal app. So just keep going down here to find it. So then you click on your PayPal and it's going to take you to next step here. Then you just click here on force stop and you click here on OK and you go down here, you click here on storage. Then you come to storage list here, then you just click here on clear cache and all you have to do now, so you just go to your Play Store. So you click on your Play Store here, then you search for your PayPal. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, so just click on it, then it's going to fix your problem. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.